you want to buy solo ad, one of the best places you can go is Udimi. You can go to nicksite.com/Udimi to go to this site. So after you go to this site, the way we want to do about that is we want to click on Find Sellers. So they will list out all the sellers here. So you can just go to each of their pages to check their rating, their price, or their detail, like their geography, things like that. Or you can use the filter down here, right? So you can just choose maybe their niche, right? Or how much rating is required, right? Maybe 100 plus, or if they're helping their client getting sales, right? So maybe we want someone who have at least 10% of their client get sales, right? And also you can choose them based on your budget. So let's say your budget is $0.5 per click, right? Then you can just do that. Then they will filter out and list out all the seller which meets your criteria. So you can just go to each of their pages, right? So you can go to see the detail about their traffic, like where the traffic are coming from, or on the review of their buyers, right? So you want to see someone who have a really great review, and if they help getting sales, right? And things like that, right? Then after you think that's a great fit, you have to place a small order first. So I do recommend you start small because you didn't know that if their list is a good fit for your opt-in page, for your offer. So you really want to start small. You want to test with small amount of traffic. Then you can scale up over time. So that's how you can buy solo ads from Udimi. I hope you enjoyed that. You can go to nicksite.com/Udimi to get your free credits.